Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about Walmart gift cards, and more specifically I'm going to show you how to redeem a Walmart gift card. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to redeem a Walmart gift card? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you received a Walmart gift card for the holidays or maybe your birthday, and you want to be able to use it online or in the store. So I have this Walmart gift card here in my email, and you have a couple of different options to redeem your Walmart gift card. If you're going to be using your Walmart gift card in the store, you can simply bring your email or your gift card to the register, and when it comes time to pay, you can just go ahead and scan this barcode at the register. So however much your gift card is worth will be deducted from your balance there at the register. You don't need to print this out because you can just scan the barcode right from your phone. So that's the first way you can redeem a Walmart gift card. The second way is going to be through the app. So Walmart has their own Walmart app, and with the app you can make purchases online through walmart.com. You can also use the app to pay for things inside the store. So if you have a payment method associated with your Walmart app like I do, you can add the Walmart gift card in to your app. And how do you do that? Well, it's all handled through the Walmart app. Let me go ahead and switch over to there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and switched over to the Walmart app. It's this blue and yellow one right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open my Walmart app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Walmart app, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, you're going to see various specials that Walmart is running. But if you'd like to redeem your Walmart gift card on the Walmart app, what you want to do is click on these three little horizontal lines here on the top left. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Once you click there, you're going to have this drop-down menu with various options for your Walmart.com app. But if you'd like to redeem your Walmart gift card in the Walmart app, what you want to do is click right here on this line called Account. It looks like it has a little person icon next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to get this drop-down menu to your Walmart.com app. But if you'd like to redeem your Walmart gift card, what you want to do is go ahead and click on this line right here called Payment Methods. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Once you've clicked there, you're going to see all the different payment methods that you have associated with your Walmart app. But if you'd like to redeem your Walmart gift card into the Walmart app, what you want to do is click right here on this line right here. It's called gift card. It has a little plus icon next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next you're going to see this screen. So in order to redeem your gift card into the Walmart app, you do need to enter the gift card number and the security code. Now, the Walmart gift card number is going to be 16 digits, and the security code is going to be 4 digits. So if you have a physical Walmart gift card, you can get it off of the back of that card. Or if you have an e-gift card like what I have that was sent to me via email, it's going to be included in the email confirmation that you received. So I'm going to enter all this information in off screen. One thing I want to let you know is a gift card nickname. If you have multiple gift cards, you can put something to reference that particular gift card if you'd like. And an example might be $5 gift card from Aunt Mary, or $25 gift card for birthday, something to help you remember why you have that gift card in there. That's completely optional. For me, I just usually add the gift card number and security code, so I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay guys, I went ahead and entered in the 16-digit Walmart gift card number along with the 4-digit Walmart gift card security code. I'm going to click this blue save button now. All right, next the screen pops up and it says it's been added, and very quickly it switched back to the payment method screen. So as you can see right here, I now have a new Walmart gift card associated with my Walmart app, so it has been redeemed. It lets you know the current value and then the last 4 digits of the gift card. So now when I go to pay at the register, I can go ahead and use this as a payment method towards my purchase. So there you have it guys. That is the easiest way I know how to redeem your Walmart gift card. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.